What is data mining? Every second, the world generates an unimaginable amount of data. From social media posts and online purchases to GPS locations and medical records, data is everywhere. But raw data alone is meaningless unless we can turn it into something useful. This is where data mining comes in. Data mining is the process of discovering hidden patterns, trends, and relationships within large sets of data. Instead of simply storing information, data mining helps us understand it. By using advanced algorithms, statistics, and machine learning techniques, computers can analyze massive datasets far beyond human capability and extract valuable insights. At its core, data mining answers questions like, what patterns exist? What is likely to happen next? Why did something happen? For example, online shopping platforms use data mining to recommend products based on your browsing history. Banks rely on it to detect fraudulent transactions. Streaming services analyze viewing habits to suggest movies and series you might enjoy. The data mining process usually follows several key steps. First, data is collected from various sources such as databases, websites, sensors, or applications. Next, this data is cleaned and organized to remove errors and inconsistencies. Then, algorithms are applied to identify patterns, such as clusters, correlations, or anomalies. Finally, the results are interpreted and turned into actionable decisions. There are several common data mining techniques. Classification sorts data into predefined categories, such as spam or non-spam emails. Clustering groups similar data points together without predefined labels. Association rule mining finds relationships between variables, like products frequently bought together. Anomaly detection identifies unusual data points, which is especially useful in cybersecurity and fraud prevention. Data mining plays a critical role in many industries. In healthcare, it helps predict diseases and improve patient care. In marketing, it enables personalized advertising and customer behavior analysis. In science and research, it accelerates discoveries by revealing patterns hidden in complex datasets. However, data mining also raises important ethical concerns. Privacy, data security, and responsible data usage are crucial issues. As powerful as data mining is, it must be used transparently and ethically to avoid misuse. In today's data-driven world, data mining is no longer optional. It is essential. It transforms raw data into knowledge, knowledge into decisions, and decisions into impact. Understanding data mining means understanding how the modern digital world truly works.